Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today's video is going to feature 5 hot 2023 hairstyling ideas and options that you can play around with. Here we have a beautiful mullet style. I love how rocker chic this looks with the eye makeup. She looks so gorgeous. Next up we have a hair color transformation. Wow, I absolutely adore this hair color. There's just so much dimension within the tone. Absolutely breathtaking hair color change. So let me know in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video is your favorite. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button if you feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas. And of course, be sure to subscribe so that you never miss a current hair trend or styling option and idea. So here we have another hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is going quite short with this one. Looks like a beautiful pixie haircut. Wow. Oh, I am in love with this style. She looks absolutely unreal. Amazing haircut transformation. And we have a lob haircut complete with curtain style bangs in the front. Followed by a hair color transformation. So it looks like the stylist added in some money piece highlights in the front as well as the pop of undercolor going there on the sides. Very pretty. I love the contrasting hair color trend. It is definitely one of my favorites of 2023. So let me know in the comments below which hairstyle was your favorite from today's video. And of course, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.